3, 2, 1, dive.
This is match 94 here over on Curie. We're running through 96 of these before we break for lunch. This will be our third to last showing. Definitely an impressive showing for both sides here, as both alliances work up on level 4 of their respective alliance reefs. 5 pieces of cargo scored so far there by the Blue Alliance to start us off. 35 points worth out of their total auto score. Now they're immediately going to go process some algae for the Blue Alliance. Tossing that algae up now is the red human player from Eagles out of Turkey. They'll pick up 4 points. Just the one algae scored. Yep, looks like the other one bounced out. 4 points of returning that processed algae towards the overall Red Alliance score. Red now has a 20-odd point deficit to make up, 28 point to be precise. We'll see what Phoenix has to say about that as they chase an algae across the field. They'd like to process it through the field wall for Red. That one's good for 6 points towards the Red Alliance score, and the Blue Alliance human player is just absolutely ready to go. That's the Robo Chargers out of Dallas. Picking up those 4 points for Blue, contributing to their overall 140 that they have. Robo Chargers now come to about the 11 o'clock position on the Blue Alliance reef to drop off what was the last piece of coral needed at that part. They now have levels 4, 3, and 2 well populated on that side. Since we did do the cooperation dealio, that we now only need 3 levels of the reef populated at 7 coral apiece for the coral RP. Blue has secured that and then some. At this point, they're playing for pure match score. Red Alliance just a little ways behind. They just need a few more pieces of coral on levels 2 and 3, which they are actively working on. There goes Eagles and Phoenix, both contributing to that endeavor, and that's actually going to complete level 3 for them. Level 4 has been done for a while, but Jaguar Robotics still picking up some match score by placing those up on top. They'll need some more on level 2 to secure the coral RP as our sonar pings sound and tell us it's endgame time. And they're going to instead pivot to the top 2 levels of the reef. So that RP, not a concern for them. They were trying for match score. They'll instead move over here now to the barge zone at the end of the game to secure the barge RP with Phoenix in the air. Blue Alliance will win that one with a final score there, 227 points to the Red Alliance's 165. 6 RP match for Blue, giving a very healthy boost to all of the teams on that alliance as they crawl their way further up the